Hey artist friends, it is my December unboxing of House of Books subscription kit. I had this video all edited and ready to go. In the crazy busyness of the December holiday season, I forgot to get it loaded to my YouTube channel. So now I'm redoing it quick with some voiceovers to just show you how consistent and fun these boxes are. This month we were sent a fun package of stickers to create with, along with a whole bunch of wonderful other goodies. Now these stickers are made in-house. They are reproductions of vintage ephemera and you can buy them a la carte off their website. Use my code Nicole to get 5% off. I'll have all of that linked below. In December they started adding some little prompts to our kits, which is really fun. Each month they're going to add some just different prompts and challenges to help you create with all this wonderful ephemera that come in the kits. If you aren't familiar with the House of Books, it's a monthly subscription kit. There are small, medium, large, and now a new mini kit. So you can choose the price point and the amount of ephemera that works best for you. Each month is just jam-packed full of book pages and then other specialty ephemera as well. This month we got some slides, some postcards, some little playing cards and flashcards, along with a whole bunch of amazing book ephemera. I am always using the book ephemera for my palette papers and for my mark making. month often comes with fabric, other specialty papers, like pages from catalogs and things, where if you bought the catalog, it would be super expensive, but she includes a few pages in each subscription. Sometimes we get ledger pages and other things with handwriting, letters. If you check on my YouTube channel, you'll see the consistency of the amazing, unique items in these boxes each month. Check this out. That was a blueprint in this box. How amazing is that? I just wanted to quick post this on here since I had it ready to go and edited and forgot. As a quick reminder that you only have a few more days to subscribe to get the February box, and they've already posted some sneak peeks of some amazing items that are coming in February that you're not going to want to miss out on. All of the links and more information will be below in my description box. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions on the House of Books subscriptions, just drop them below and I will be happy to answer them.